How to unzip files in Google Drive. Here is an example zip file in Google Drive. To unzip this, first click the three dots on the upper right corner. Drag your mouse to open with. And the easiest way to unzip this file is using the zip extractor, although there are other options like this. But let's go ahead and use zip extractor. Now just authorize zip extractor and there should be a pop-up window after you click it, and then just click allow. Now you should be redirected to this screen and make sure to tick all the boxes of the file that you want to unzip. Then proceed to click extract to drive. After that, just simply open the file and there it is. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.